Nestled in the heart of Europe, a land of timeless beauty and innovation unfurls. Welcome to Switzerland. This picturesque nation, bordered by 5 countries, is truly at the epicenter of the European continent. Italy to the south, France to the west, Germany to the north, and Austria and Liechtenstein to the east. Switzerland is an intriguing mix of cultures, manifested in its 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Beyond its linguistic diversity, Switzerland is renowned as a powerhouse of finance and diplomacy. Its cities are home to countless international organizations, major banks, and cutting-edge research facilities, making it a hub of global influence. But it's not all business here. The Swiss have a deep-rooted love for their traditions and customs, which they proudly preserve and celebrate. A nation that is as diverse as it is unified, Switzerland stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of cultures and traditions. In Switzerland, language serves not just as a medium of communication, but as a vibrant tapestry of the country's rich cultural heritage. The Swiss converse in not 1 but 4 official languages. Each of these, German, French, Italian, and Romansh, is a testament to the country's diverse roots. German, the most widely spoken, echoes the crisp precision and efficiency for which the Swiss are renowned. French, on the other hand, mirrors the country's elegance and sophistication. Italian, spoken in the sunny south, reflects the warm, hospitable nature of the Swiss, while Romansh, a rare gem, offers a glimpse into the ancient past. Each language region, with its unique customs and traditions, contributes to the multicultural fabric of the country. From the hearty Germanic cuisine to the delicate French pastries, from the Italian opera houses to the Romansh folk tales, Switzerland is a symphony of diverse cultures harmoniously coexisting. With every language spoken, Switzerland paints a vivid picture of its cultural diversity and unity. From the breathtaking Swiss Alps to the intricate Swiss watches, Switzerland is a country that marries natural beauty with precision and craftsmanship. The Swiss Alps, an imposing range of mountains that stretches across the heart of the country, is a testament to the nation's majestic landscapes. These peaks, which seem to pierce the very skies, are not only a sight to behold, but also a vital part of the country's economy, attracting millions of tourists each year and providing livelihoods for countless locals. But what would Switzerland be without its world-renowned watch industry? Much like the everlasting Swiss mountains, the country's horological tradition stands as an enduring symbol of Swiss precision and quality. The art of Swiss watchmaking is a dance of minuscule parts, each playing their part in a symphony of seconds, minutes, and hours. Each tick and tock is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every timepiece, a testament to the Swiss dedication to perfection. In Switzerland, the beauty of nature and the precision of human craftsmanship are not seen as opposing forces, but rather as 2 sides of the same coin. The grandeur of the Swiss Alps and the intricate mechanics of a Swiss watch both speak to the country's deep-seated respect for nature and its commitment to excellence. Whether it's the grandeur of the Alps or the ticking precision of a Swiss watch, Switzerland's excellence lies in its attention to detail and its deep respect for nature. Innovation pulsates through the veins of Switzerland, driving it towards a future as bright as its present. This nation, known for its breathtaking Alps and precise timepieces, is also a global pioneer in scientific research and technological advancements. Switzerland hosts CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, where scientists probe the fundamental structure of the universe. Its contribution to medical research is commendable, with Swiss labs continually breaking ground in understanding and treating diseases. Moreover, Switzerland is leading the charge towards a sustainable future. It's at the forefront of clean energy, harnessing the power of its rivers and the sun to light up homes and fuel industries. In the digital realm, Switzerland is pushing the boundaries of technology, being a hotbed for startups and tech giants alike. It's here that innovative ideas are born, developed, and implemented, influencing how we interact with the digital world. In the realm of innovation, Switzerland continues to chart new territories, shaping the world of tomorrow. Switzerland, a country of paradoxes, where tradition and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. A land where time-honored customs cradle the pulse of cutting-edge technology. Swiss cowbells echo in the valleys. even as the hum of innovation reverberates in city labs. The Swiss paradox, a testament to this nation's unique ability to balance respect for the past with an unerring focus on the future. Switzerland, a country of contrasts, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of the old and the new.